Hey everybody, it's Baron Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate, opening the door to your new home in Fiji. Look at this spectacular new construction home available for rent for 11,000 Fijian dollars. It is amazing. It has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, detailed throughout. Look at the sunset. This could be yours. Have a look with me. Let's go. This is your first bedroom and ensuite bathroom. All the detail you're going to notice throughout this place really sets this apart from almost any home that we have seen in Fiji. That is your first bedroom and bathroom downstairs. Here is your second. Again, you'll notice the recessed lighting, rain showers, and you're going to see here, look at these. All of these light up. And you can also put in your Bluetooth and pair it with your phone so you can enjoy some nice, relaxing music while you're talking and thinking about what a wonderful day you had in Fiji. Here is the great room. And just look at all the detail here. The furnishings, interior design is world class. Notice the fixtures. Really cool. Aircon, tinted glass windows and sliders. You're catching the nice sunset here with your own swimming pool and just massive outdoor sitting areas. And you've got 2 upper balconies as well. Nice and quiet, peaceful, safe, gated community in Denarau. We are about 15 minutes from the international airport in Nandi and just moments away, very close to all the resort hotels, restaurants, and retail here on Denarau Island, which is the hub of the tourists that come to this place. This is where you want to be, and you can see all the detail. Look at the backsplashes, loads of storage, gas stove and range, microwave, fridge, dishwasher, really nice fixtures, and great open concepts. So if you're planning to entertain friends and family after a great day of surfing and fishing and kayaking and enjoying all the 333 islands available here in Fiji, this is where you're going to want to just relax, entertain, and enjoy. Let's go have a look at the laundry area with all this extra storage. Very oversized half bath downstairs with, again, a custom vanity double sink downstairs. Everything here, that's your laundry room. Everything here is really well thought out. Loads of detail and, again, wonderful design. That entryway really makes a statement. Lots of extra storage below the stairs. This is your 2-car enclosed garage, which is great if you've got kids, if you've got a few cars, if there's any inclement weather, you've got everything protected and covered, and just walk into the house, which is really nice. We've got 3 bedrooms to look at upstairs, all with their own private bathrooms, and they all have that wonderful mirror that I love. With just by a touch of a button, you can light it up and play your own music. This is the first bedroom, tiled throughout, covered balcony with just beautiful vista views of the river. And as you can see, when you get back in, all the furnishings are just top shelf. You've got the built-ins, the mirrored sliders, and the steps going downstairs. This is the second bedroom, the middle bedroom upstairs. Again, rain shower, lots of great light. All the rooms have the TV, aircon, fans, tiled, all the details. Besides the epic location here, you have got all the amenities that you can think of really close by. So for the discerning person who really wants things done right and gorgeous, This is what you want. Here is your walk-in soaking tub after a wonderful day on the beach, and your master bedroom here with your own wet bar. So pour yourself a glass of wine, come on out here, pick up your phone and call us at +679 999 2051, or hop on the internet, go to professionalsfiji.com, and we look forward to hearing from you soon and sharing all of Fiji with you. Banaka.